Look. Look, bird. See, look, it's eating.
No.
Jaren. Don't put that in your mouth. No. Come here, baby. Might try to eat grass. We're gonna go swimming now. Say hi. We're gonna go swimming. Okay, Jaren's first time on the sand. Sit down. Whoa, don't put it in your mouth, okay? Wow. No, not in your mouth, baby. Here, look, touch. Woo. Whoa. Oh, the water reached us. Whoa, baby. Okay, let's get you in the water. Say bye. Jaren. He likes it. Face him towards the sun a little bit so you can see him better. Hi, baby. You like the water? Wow. Already tried to eat the sand. Well, he did. It went in his mouth. Right before I was gonna wash his hands. Woohoo! Hold it, baby. He took out the hat.
Yeah.
You don't want the hat on?
Wet.
I told you. Wow, baby. Guys, we're here on a Monday and all the lagoons are like full. We had to park at the paid public parking. But Jaren likes it because he loves the water.
Yeah. Just this.
The sand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Go closer to the shower then. Why do you have your tank top on, babe? You should have just took it off.
Yay.
Hi.
Yay.
Look, this boy. He like reached out of his floaty just to splash. Earlier he already dipped his face. Watch out! He dipped his face in the water. Silly boy. You want to swim on your own? You want out? Stay in there, babe. Yeah. Are you having fun? Yeah. Splash. Go splash. Splash. Woo. Bye. Guys, Alan let him go and he's walking on the side on his own. Oh, watch out, babe. There, go. Let him go. Is he moving? Watch out, Jaren. Okay, go this side. Go. Bye. Okay, go. Stand up, babe. Go, babe. Get him. Watch out. Go, practice walking. Turn around. Face him this way. Oh no, go that way. Make him go towards you, right there. Okay, go, babe. Go. Run. Go. Kick. Oh, I can see him from here. Kick, Jaren, kick. Kick. Yeah, kick. Hold him, baby. Bye. Bye. He's having so much fun. Ooh. Yeah. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Go. Go. Say hi.
Yeah,
Look his
say
fingers. Yeah.
Hi.
Getting cool. Okay.
High five.
Mommy.
Stand up, baby. Whoa. Don't put that in your mouth. Wow. Say hi, Daddy. Where's Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. Don't put that in your mouth, okay? You play with bubbles? Okay, hold on. Here. Here, hold on, baby. Ready? Bubbles! Whoa! Bubbles! 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 You like it? Jaren knocked out. Pit stop, got some uncle's ice cream sandwiches. I got the sea salt caramel on snickerdoodle.